copyright free music for your content. If you're a content creator, or if you've been a content creator for a while, you will know the challenges that comes with using music, any type of music, and all the platforms. Whenever you use somebody else's music, you can get a copyright strike for using their music. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your own copyright free music. Some people may tell you that you can just download any music. Even on YouTube, you will see some, if you just type copyright free music, and you think it is actually copyright free just because they said it is copyright free. You will come to learn that it is not, because even though it may be copyright free as at the time you downloaded it, 3-4 years down the line that video may start going viral and you're making money from it, you will now find out that they've put a copyright claim. So you sometimes, if they are very wicked, they will take every money you generate from that particular work, or some may share. And this is across all platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. So if you're interested, first of all, let me know where you're watching this video from. Like this video, subscribe to this channel if you are not yet subscribed, and let us get started in this video. The very first thing you are going to do is to go to Google Play Store and download this AI music generator. Yes, the world has changed. Before, you could go to a musician to pay them to say, okay, I want a song for my channel. You don't need to spend 1 naira. So you are going to download this AI music generator. It is free. All right, I'm going to put the link in the description box so you download it. When you download it, I'm going to show you step by step how you are going to use this AI music generator to generate good music for your platform. So when you download this app, when you come into the app, you see that they have different genres. Okay, so let's explore the app first of all, so that you can see what you are getting into. So if you are looking for romantic songs, these are romantic songs, but you see these ones that you are seeing have been created by other creators. Okay, right? So it is AI that is doing the singing and everything. So you have romantic, you have doo-wop, I don't know what genre is that, you have emo, you have math rock, you have smooth, you have anthemic. They are just different genres of music. So for instance, let me play the one that I generated.
Let your spirit soar, break from the spell, shine like a diamond. It's time to exhale. Top is godless, top is godless. Blooming, shining, no need to rush.
So that's the one that I created for my platforms. Okay, so how are you going to create for your platform? Now, if you come to this place where you have the music sign, this is where all your music playlist, everything will be. If you have not liked the video, like the video. This is a good time to like this video. Now, to create your own, you click on this middle part here, you come here. So you see I have 10 songs left for today. So you have to think very well. That's why you're watching this video. So if you want instrumental, that's the music you want, you don't want wordings, you just want the beats, you click on this instrumental. Are you seeing it? Then this text place, you have to give the AI prompts on the type of music that you want. So if you want an R&B song, you put the R&B song. You say generate an R&B song, you put it, the prompts that you want. If any type of music, any type that you want. So if you want a male to sing the song, you see male vocal. If you want female vocal, you put female vocals. If you want anything you want, maybe you want to add certain things to the music and all of that, freestyle, you put it here. Are you seeing it? So this where you can see this text space is to give the prompt. I don't want to use my own credit, okay? So you use your own. I want to generate XYZ music. If it's romance, if it's R&B, if it's Afrobeats, whatever. Though I don't think this particular app does Afrobeats, they just do other genres, okay? So you put it here. So that's one way, and you create your own music. Like if you see, I've created like 10 like different ones when I was just trying it out, okay? You create your own music and you'll be able to get copyright free songs. Another way you can create your music on this app is if you hear a song that you like.
Beneath my skin, said
Let's leave this one. I don't like this one, so let's come to this one.
just in case you, baby, feel the love inside you, girl.
See this one, I like the tempo, okay? So if you listen to all these songs and you like a particular one, you just come here to this place. I'm going to put it on the screen. You come here, then you see reuse style. Are you seeing it? You see share song, reuse style, add to playlist. So you just click on reuse style. So you will now change the lyrics, okay? So this style is soul, romantic, 1970s baritone voice. This just gives you the practical of what I was saying, that you put in your wordings, the lyrics of the song that you want to create, okay? So now you cannot use this person's lyrics. You just want to recreate the style. The style is soul, romantic, 1970s. So you have to put in your own lyrics that you want for your platform. All right, let's go to another one. I don't like this one, so I'm just going to scroll past. Romeo and Juliet. I don't think I like this one. Let me go back. Let me see. Smooth. So let's see smooth.
You've been pressing all my buttons, but you still don't know. Trying to crack the combination, moving way too slow.
Okay, I kind of like that, but let me see the style. So if you do reuse style, so let's see what type of style is this one. So this is smooth sub bars 2000s R&B. Okay, so it's very simple, like really very, very simple to create copyright free songs with AI. But you have only 16 credits, okay? So before you start experimenting, ensure that you already have the lyrics to the music that you want to create for your platform, okay? Then think of the style that works best for the type of content that you are creating. All right, and not all of them have to have lyrics. You could do instrumental, you understand? You could do instrumental, so it's just instrumental, so you know that, okay, ballad type of instrumental. If you are into vlogging, you create the type of music that is best suited for vlogging, okay? But this app is really very good. Oh, they even have Afrobeats, okay? I didn't even know, so let me hear their Afrobeats. Doesn't really sound like Afrobeats though. Doesn't really sound like Afrobeats to me, but they have Afrobeats. I thought they didn't have Afrobeats. So you can choose one of the Afrobeat styles. Okay, let me see this one. Anyway, you can choose one of the styles and reuse it, put your own verse. That's the simplest way that you can do it, okay? Thank you so much, guys. If you want me to do more tutorials like this, remember to leave a comment in the comment section saying thank you to Pisco Plus. All right, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.